Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. If you're new here, I'm Michael. So to disable Instagram profile zoom, there are more than one ways to do that. The first method, you can create an Instagram avatar and link it to your profile. Once it's linked, your profile zoom will be disabled automatically. The other way, you need to report a problem. Depending on the device you're using, you're going to find it somewhere different. So if you're using a mobile device, you're going to find it in settings. And if you're using a computer, you want to come to this 3-line titled More and then click on this. You're going to see Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem and then you can submit your problem in this section. You can draft a message however best communicates your challenges to a customer support. So I have written, I would like to disable Instagram profile zoom, and then click on Send Request. So thank you for reporting this problem, and then click on Done. And then hopefully tech support should help you disable Instagram profile zoom. So after that, they will reach out to you under 24 hours and your Instagram profile zoom should be disabled. Thank you guys for watching this video on how to disable Instagram profile zoom, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.